I get asked all the time about real estate. Should I be investing in income-producing properties? Well, here's the answer. Hey there, my name is Stephan Spicer, and it's my goal to help you invest smarter. If that's important to you as well, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Now, if you watched my most popular video to date, I talk about diversifying into assets beyond just stocks. Specifically, I mentioned real estate. If you've read my book, I talk about the valuable role physical real estate can play in protecting your portfolio. And if you're familiar with my personal portfolio, a healthy mix of stocks, real estate, and other financial vehicles, it becomes obvious that I'm a firm believer in investing in not just stocks, but also in real estate. Now with that, you might expect me to spend the rest of my time in this video trying to convince you why you too should be investing in real estate. Talking about the tax benefits, the ability to easily leverage your money, having someone else pay for your mortgage and so on. But no, believe it or not, that's not the point of this video. There are several videos out there that can share with you many of the benefits of investing in physical real estate.
The why and the benefits of investing in real estate, and that's going to be the topic of this video. So why real estate investing?
I'll even link you out to some, including the one I just showed you from Graham in the description below. But before you ever even consider real estate and start to weigh all the pros and cons, I believe there's something even more fundamental that you need to think about. And I'd like to think, I'd hope, that most people encouraging you to invest in real estate, like Graham, shown earlier, or MeetKevin, would agree with me on this one. You see, if you're missing this one thing, I don't think a comprehensive understanding of all the benefits will do you any good. I believe that if you're missing this thing and you start to invest regardless, you'll likely fail. The answer to the question of should you invest in physical real estate or the stock market, should you start your investment journey with rentals or stocks, is a very personal one. There is no universal answer. It comes down to you and what you want, what you're passionate about, what you're truly interested in. And this concept doesn't just apply to real estate. It's true for any type of investment and really just anything that requires a commitment of your time in order for it to work. If you're not really interested in the thing that you're trying to do, you won't dedicate enough time to truly learning the craft. You won't have the patience to listen and learn from experts in the field. And when times get tough, as they surely will, you won't have the resolve to stick around. If you're not truly interested in the thing that you're trying to do, you'll likely fall short. You'll likely fail. My portfolio works for me. It wouldn't work for everyone. The more passionate you are about the things in which you're investing, the more you'll just love and enjoy the process, the journey. And I think in general, the more successful you'll be. I love studying companies and investing in stocks. I love the math behind real estate investing. If you're not actually interested in the process of really getting to know a company, if you're not interested in researching and analyzing everything it has going on, you shouldn't be actively investing in the stock market. In the same way, if you're not actually interested in doing the work to find, negotiate, maintain everything involved in successfully managing income-producing properties, you shouldn't be investing in real estate. Both, when approached like that, can be dangerous. And it all comes back to your interest, your passion. Of course, that's not all that's involved with being successful, but that's where it starts. If that's absent, like say for example, you decide to invest in something because you just feel like you should, or because other people seem to be having success with it, or because you want to get rich, whatever it is. Well, if that's your motivation and that's it, there's no interest there, well, most likely won't work. And honestly, that could be ruinous. So I may differ from other stock market educators here when I say, if you don't have a sincere interest in stocks, you shouldn't be actively trading in the market. It's not the only way to make money. It's not even the only way to invest. And I'd even go so far as to say it's not the best way to do either of those things, unless you're truly interested. Then it may be the best for you. The same goes for real estate. It's a good option, even the best option for some, if that love of the process is there. Figure out which things you're most passionate about and start there. Dive in. Use your spare time to learn as much as you can about the subject. and then get started. Get some experience, make some mistakes. Make it a point to document and learn from those mistakes. And then, once you finally feel comfortable, you know what you're doing, you can identify specifically what your strategy is, then, with whatever spare time you have now, start the process over again with your next interest, if there's another one, like there was for me. So that question of whether you should invest in stocks or real estate or both, it really comes down to you as an individual. What interests you? What are you passionate about? If you're passionate about real estate and or stocks, let me know in the comments and let me know which one interests you more. I look forward to seeing you there. And if you're interested in either of those things or both, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.